Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Keith, we got Brandon here.
What's up?
Working on the golf cart today. We are going to clean this old bird up, and we are going to de-rust, treat everything, do some rust repair down here. There isn't a whole lot of rust repair. There's some right there, and then some back here in the back in the little bed that's here. We're going to take this off, completely re-floor this thing, resheet the floor and the sides. It should be perfect, man. Hell yeah. We're going to take you guys along for the ride today. We're going to show you what we're going to do. We'll be back. Okay guys, yeah, this is a Yamaha 4-stroke, sorry, my bad. It is roughly 16 horsepower. Vroom, 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 vroom. It's got all the forward and reverse here for the transmission. It's got a Comet Duster clutch in there. This thing is pretty neat, man. We drove it around for years. It sat in my Uncle Frank's, on Uncle Frank's property for like the last 10 years, man. So it's time to get this bad boy cleaned up, and we're gonna put a push bar on the front. And it's only fitting that the thing has a Chevrolet friggin' bow tie on the front. So yeah, we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna put a push bar here with a Heim joint style deal so we can push the car. So yeah, we got the compressor running, as you can probably hear in the back. So we're gonna blow all this out. We'll show you guys the process when we get back. All right, okay guys, we got our trusty blowgun. Let's see, grab that paint gun out of there, paint paddle out of there, and watch your eyes. Step back. Yep. Okay? Step from over there, please. We're gonna be blowing that way, bud. We want all the big stuff off, and I don't want to, disturb too much. I just want to stop the rust right now. So I got some rust preventer. Let's show the guys what we're going to use. Grab this for me. All right, yep. This is what we use right here. This is the godsend for stopping rust. And then what this is going to do, all the stuff down here, like this stuff here, it's only surface rust, that's going to be good. I'm going to just spray this, and it's going to convert it right back to metal underneath of the paint. This is like a paint as well as a rust treatment. So you can either paint over this, or you can just leave it. It's something that you use to just apply over rust. And then the places that we're going to repair, this will stop it in the meantime until I get to the repair of that rust. It'll give me something to work with good that when I'm actually ready to fix the rust. So yeah, all this rust out here we painted black with this stuff, and then we'll go back and we'll paint it the original color. I think we might change the color, we don't know yet. So
what color do you think the golf cart's gonna be?
I don't know, we'll see, we'll figure it out. We'll consult with Pop-Up to
Bumblebee, black with yellow racing stripes.
You think?
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool.
I don't know, we'll check it out. We'll consult with Pop-Up first, because obviously we can't just go ahead and do it without him.
Head honcho.
Yeah, head honcho. Okay guys, Brandon, go ahead and start blowing it off. Let's film some of this. Full blast. We'll get that shield that I bought you.
Shield?
We'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, all right, here is the results. Actually, not quite the results we're looking for, but as you can see, it's starting to turn the rust black. It's converting it back to metal. It changes the chemical properties of the rust back to steel. So here's more of a look on what I did. It's definitely working, doing its thing. I'm cutting all this stuff out. I just want to have something good to weld to. I want to be able to clean this up and weld new framing in here for a battery, and I'm gonna remake all the harnesses. All these old brittle, super brittle wires have got to go, man. I'm gonna take this all this stuff off the engine, clean it up, take the fuel tank out, clean that out. We are not gonna do it Uncle Bucko from Old Man's Garage. He put a second tank on the old man's pickup truck, and it was dirty inside, and he went on a road trip and the thing clogged up the fuel filter probably 20 times, and then clogged his carburetor up too. So we don't want that. So this is it. Yeah, Brandon cleaned the front, so now it doesn't look as grody. We're gonna get the front suspension cleaned up next. We are gonna do a body lift on this, get a little higher up off the ground, get some new tires, clean those wheels up, and probably use those wheels again. We don't need anything crazy. So, and there she is. I'll give you guys an update next time we come out. It's getting ready to rain soon. It's drizzling there for a minute. We don't want to get caught, so we put everything away for now. I'm gonna cover this thing back up, and we'll get moving on it next time. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.